Welcome to the Cozy English Corner. Today, we are focusing on a business English phrase that is absolutely critical for project management and leadership.
Good leadership requires clear communication. I am ready to learn. What is the phrase?
The phrase is on the same page.
On the same page, like reading a book together.
Exactly. Imagine a choir of singers holding a book of music. If one singer is looking at page 4 and another singer is looking at page 10, they will sing completely different songs. It will sound terrible.
I understand. They have to literally look at the exact same page to sing in harmony.
Precisely. In the corporate world, if you are on the same page with your team, it means everyone shares the exact same understanding of a situation, a goal, or a set of rules.
Oh, I see. It means everyone agrees and understands the plan perfectly.
Yes, let us look at a real-world example. Imagine you are leading a massive transport infrastructure project. You have city planners, engineers, and financial advisors all working together.
That sounds like a very complicated project with a lot of moving parts.
It is. Before anyone starts pouring concrete or signing contracts, you call a massive team meeting. You explain the budget, the timeline, and the safety rules.
So you are making sure everyone knows exactly what to do.
Right. At the end of the meeting, you would ask, "Does anyone have any questions? I want to make sure we are all on the same page before we begin."
You are asking if everyone is aligned and understands the project requirements.
Exactly. Let us imagine another scenario. A client is very angry because they think you missed a deadline, but you actually submitted the work yesterday. There is a miscommunication.
That is a stressful situation. I would need to fix that immediately.
You would call the client and say, "Let us review the contract dates together, just so we can get on the same page."
So it is a polite way of correcting someone without calling them a liar. You are just trying to synchronize the information.
That is a brilliant way to describe it. It is incredibly diplomatic.
What if someone completely disagrees with the plan? What is the opposite phrase?
If you are talking to a coworker and you realize you have entirely different ideas about a project, you would say, "I think we are on different pages here."
We are on different pages. That is very logical. Let us practice the pronunciation. Are there any specific stresses?
Yes, the rhythm emphasizes the words same and page. The on the part is spoken very softly. On the same page.
On the same page, we need to be on the same page.
Excellent, your corporate tone is flawless. Now, it is time for our expanded 3-part quiz.
I am ready. Give me the management scenarios.
Scenario 1. You are eating lunch in the cafeteria by yourself. You are deciding whether to eat a sandwich or a salad. Do you need to get on the same page?
No, I am by myself. I cannot be on the same page with myself. It requires at least one other person.
Correct. Scenario 2. You and your business partner are designing a new product. You want it to be painted blue, and she wants it to be painted red. You argue about it for an hour. Are you on the same page?
Definitely not. We are arguing and we want completely different things. We are on different pages.
Spot on. Scenario 3. Your manager sends out an email with 5 new safety rules for the warehouse. She asks everyone to reply to the email confirming they read it.
Yes, the manager is doing that to guarantee that the entire warehouse staff is on the same page regarding the new safety protocols.
You nailed every single question. You have a deep, professional understanding of this phrase.
Thank you. This was an excellent lesson. I think we are definitely on the same page about how helpful this podcast is.
I love that you used it to wrap up the show. Have a fantastic day, everyone, and keep practicing.